Hello everyone, and welcome to my first model airplane review. In front of me I have the Gemini Jets 1/200 scale, or also known as Gemini 200, United Airlines Boeing 737-800 with its new livery. So stay tuned, I'll be doing a review on this plane. Alright, so before I open up the box, just gonna show you the outside of it. So there you go, you can see it says Gemini 200, United Airlines with its image. 1/200 scale diecast on the bottom with Boeing 737-800. And that's the front of it with the clip. When you go around it, you can see it's got the United image there, and that's the back of it. Alright, so let's open up this bad boy and take a look inside. So first thing there is the protective foam, and on top it's got the tripod stand. Later in the video I'll show you how you put these together. So that's the top of it there. And these are the landing gear covers. So in case you put it on the stand, you have it on in-flight mode or takeoff mode. These are removable gears, which is a nice option. Alright, so I'm going to set the box aside. Alright, so there you go. United Airlines there with its new color, which was unveiled April of 2019 this year. So I'm just going to grab the camera and give you a closer detailed look of the plane. Alright, so here we have the front of the nose, left side of it. And I'm just going to move around the plane here so you can get a nice detailed look. You can see nice blue engines. It's got the blue split line with the gray on the bottom. As we move to the left side of the plane, the winglets, nice blue color on there. And you can see the registration number there with the Wi-Fi dome on top. There's the nice blue color on the tail. Alright, so here's the back of the plane. Moving to the right rear side of it. I really like how this blue color stands out. Again, we got the registration number there. Moving to the right side there, you can see the blue winglet. Side of the plane, you can see that blue line split with the gray on the bottom. And just moving towards the front of the plane there, gonna try to zoom in a little bit there. You can see the front nose landing gear. It's got the taxi light there. Really good detail on this model. And just this front view, you can see how the blue really stands out on the wingtips, on the engines, and on the tail. Really good job by Gemini. Alright, so just a close-up view of the left engine there. I'm just gonna move to the right engine here. Just try to get as close as I can without the image blurring out. So I'm just gonna show you a top view of it. You can see the beacon light there with the antenna. Wi-Fi dome again. Moving to the tail there. Go to the left wing there. See, it's got the red navigation light. Going to the right side of the wing. You can see the green navigation light. So I got the airplane on its protective foam cover just so I can set it upside down and give you a view of the bottom of it. So we'll start by the tail there. Really good detail on this plane. You can see the landing gears with the Gemini Jets logo. The beacon light. See the front cargo door. I'll try to get as close as I can there. So you can see the front says 737-800. And as I mentioned earlier, these are removable landing gears. So I'll show you with the landing gears removed. Alright, so just gonna remove the landing gears and show you how they come off there. So that's how it looks when the landing gears are removed. You can see on the front one, it says E-tops with its registration number. Try to give you a close-up look. Just how detailed the wheels are. Alright, so I said earlier in the video I was going to show you how this tripod stand comes together. So pretty much one pole goes in one hole and the other one here. Pretty much just sits there. And when you grab the plane, it matches up with the bottom hole here. So you can see the airplane now on the tripod stand. You can get an idea of how it would look on the stand. And one thing I wanted to point out, it's going to be hard to zoom in there, but you can see it has the Star Alliance logo. And in the middle there it says, "Connecting people, uniting the world." It's hard to see with the camera, but I thought I would point that out. So there you have it, the Gemini Jets 1/200 scale United Airlines Boeing 737-800 with its new livery. I really hope you enjoyed this model airplane review. And if you were planning on getting this airplane, I hope this review has helped you in some way. And if you liked what you saw, please give it a like or give me a comment or feedback below. Let me know if there's something specific you'd like to see in a review, or if you want to see more reviews like this. And also, I'd like to hear, is there a specific airline that you'd like to see a scale model be made of? Be nice to hear what the results are. So once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.